pull over. Yeah, I'm not doing that bit again.
DK, what is the purpose of our? What is the purpose of our?
He saw that.
Echo! Echo!
You are so loud.
DK, what is the purpose of our little adventure here today?
That's exactly what I've been saying this whole time. I'm trying to tell you.
I gotta start it?
No, step aside. Okay, yeah, you might have to.
Guys, let me do a real and original bit.
Holy shit, he popped.
It
Wait, my turn.
Please don't. Oh my god.
He died.
Can we not do that again? It's not worth the
Guys,
bit.
it didn't work.
Wait, my
lever.
turn. Wait, it's my turn.
No, wait, don't do it.
The host has disconnected.
We want shotguns.
I
That's
did.
the purpose.
Yep.
We want shotguns.
I already bought 2 shovels.
You already bought 2
There's
shovels?
2 shovels on the way.
Wait, no,
Yo.
no. Why would we do that? Mahmood, you are new to the Dude Well Man Guy channel. How do you feel?
Oh, also,
And I've been checking out your
you're regular
content,
now.
and honestly,
dude, wow, I love your top hat.
Wait.
Hey, have you seen this man's top hat?
he
Dude,
says guys.
Yeah, what a
Guys.
guy.
guy. Okay.
How did he get that far? What the fuck? Wait,
Guys,
is
this is the right way.
this
Wait,
Val?
it's so bright. It's so bright.
Oh my god! Let us not touch that. No, why? Okay.
I didn't know they were gonna
No,
touch me.
no,
These things
why?
Guys, I'm dead.
There you go.
Legally.
Let's go.
Shit.
Oh my god. Am I the only one that just tweaked out right there? Okay. Because you are.
I got.
What?
Call me Stevie Wonder, cause I got lean on me when you withdraw. I have you carry on, lean on me.
I wouldn't look down if I were you.
Shut up, I'm not interrupt. $67.
$67.
There's a key, it was worth it.
I got a tattered plate. How much money you got on you? Nothing? Yeah.
Billing
broke.
attack.
Yo, wait. Forget you had a shovel. Okay, no, I'm joking. I was kidding.
Wait, are you saying something? Oh, okay, just wanted to make sure.
I will hit you with this.
Huh? He's speaking to me.
Wait, what? Follow
We're
it.
communicating.
Marco Polo, Marco Polo.
This way.
Marco Polo.
Over yonder. There is no way.
This is actually so sick.
Did we actually?
Dude. Dude, it was like a game of Marco Polo. It's so sick. Also, Dan is dead.
Communication.
Oh, you just had to darken. You just got shit all over me.
Wait, got an issue.
Don't worry, we both
That
got
is
shovels.
a huge
Get 'em.
issue. I do not have a shovel. Where'd you go? What? Why is he chasing me?
Come here,
Get your shovel!
Stand back.
Nice.
Let the man take care of it. You ladies alright?
He was busting it down. I really just want to see Mahmood dead, like on the screen. Dang it.
There's a bee.
Where?
Yeah, there's
In
a
the
beehive
start.
by the entrance.
Why did my frames just drop the second I turned the corner?
You must have seen my awesome face. And it was like,
I've
oh,
seen your ugly face.
perfect pixels overloading
Ugly.
your CPU.
More like ugly, overloading my CPU.
I was a stutter, shut your bitch ass up.
You're going the wrong way, you fucking idiot.
don't know.
Immediately shut down.
I wonder if DK's going solo.
think DK's fine.
That answered my question. Yep. All right.
I'm gonna run
What?
past it and you're gonna grab it. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Hey, how's it going, pals? I mean, you know, like back at Oh,
Where am
they're
I
so
going?
quick. Oh, they're so quick.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop.
DK, you have to. Oh, this hurts. Oh, this hurts a lot.
Oh my god. Get in. Wow. Wait. Shit. What? No! You're fallen, brethren! No! When did you start the goddamn ship?
500 on our first day, not bad.
I had his body in my hands
Oh.
and I saw the ship leave and I was like... I
DK,
looked
where's
up.
the beehive?
Oh my god!
Icon.
I don't want to...
He never grabbed the beehive icon. What did I die for?
It was in vain, Mahmood. Your death was in vain.
Open the door. Open the door right now.
We're in space.
You got this.
Dude, I had a shovel, his body. I was right next to the... I saw you escape the giant, and then I saw the flames of the thruster start, and I was like... Okay.
I thought you were dead completely because when I went over by the bees, there was two, like, cues, like the insanity things. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, it
There's
was
two
the
of them.
giant. It was the giant.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
No, oh my god, Mahmood, what have we learned from
I'm gonna
last
kill everyone.
run?
I'm gonna kill everyone. I'm gonna kill everyone.
No! No, please! No. And he did. And he actually did kill everybody. Mahmood! God damn it, he's actually killing me! He's actually gonna kill me! Mahmood!
Run! I got run.
He's stamina! Mahmood!
I got you. Don't stress. Watch.
At least look me in the eyes when I die. Dude, oh my god.
Run, bro.
I'll take
I'm
them from
trying.
you. Don't worry.
Bro, why?
They're
Why?
really-
Why?
I got what you need.
The beehive is like right there. I don't know why they're still pissed. Oh, there we go. Hey, they let you walk.
Hey Reggie. Me
Listen,
and
I'll
Reggie
take
are
it easy.
leaving. Me and Reggie are leaving. You stay
Hope you
right.
hit a tree and you
That's
die.
the yellow
I
Reggie.
hope somebody runs you over. Bye bye Reggie, come on. I gotta get inside. Come on. Off the head. Come on. There we go.
Fucking bitch.
Don't go there, don't go there, don't go there.
Near
Why?
activity detected. What does that mean?
What was it? Okay, hold on a minute. Ooh! Ooh, DK had the shovel.
Oh, he didn't come back. Did you get it?
Let's go to the fire exit.
It's gotta leave. It's
Actually,
gotta leave at some
Icon.
point. What?
No.
We got this.
What do you mean? Who's we?
Okay.
You abandoned us.
If I die, you know what to grab.
Your body.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm very low.
Well,
Don't go right.
Yeah, I hear.
Do not go. Do not open the right door.
Icon?
Hey pals, what happened?
Hey, where's, he died. Where's the exit?
Oh my god, Johnny! Hey Johnny.
That's a stupid thing.
Hey buddy, how's Johnny doing? I found the apparatus. It might be over. Oh, I guess it's not over. Oh, he contemplated it. Alright. Hopefully this doesn't burn your mouth and you eat it.
I died trying to get a second beehive.
Yeah, no, dude, I would assume that you did do that. Lethally fun. No way. Okay. Oh. You know how the song says great asset to the company? It was not talking about you. Ooh, burned.
Oh, he got you there.
Brush your teeth. You ever heard of Colgate? The fuck is your problem? This sucks. There's nothing over here, don't jump. that accomplish?
Where's the thing? Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah, I hear it. Nice.
Sit down, bro. Shh. Get low. I think it knows we're here.
You are really loud.
Hello?
Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Scram.
No! Holy shit! Oh! Oh, there you are. It was not that serious.
I just lost my life.
Is it still in there?
Yes.
Okay, no, it's not. You're lying.
Look, 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 look. Want to see what the girls do when you come by? Imagine this, the girls. They scatter because you smell bad.
Yeah, I got the joke like 20 minutes ago.
You get it because like no one likes you.
Yep, I get that. Well, well, well. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Mahmoud, speak to me.
Help me. Oh, this is not how I thought I'd go.
What the? Drowned and also left the game. This is his last hurrah before he left.
Dude, Mahmood?
Yeah, come over here. Just taking the scenic view.
Wow. Oh. Oh, I see him.
We don't even have the shovel.
I wonder who died with it.
Ow! What?
We need to go to Dine. Dine is better.
Why are we going to dine?
Because that's where butlers spawn. And if we can gang up on a butler and kill, we get a butler.
You're talking in Google Slides, just so you know.
Okay. Go to Dine, get a butler knife. Use butler knife to
Okay,
kill.
I can understand you now. You're fine. Talking to me like I'm in a
Okay.
foreign language.
This is a good amount.
Let's
I can't even
sell
sell anymore.
everything.
Oh. Forgot it was day 1. Or day 3? 4? Day 4. Why are you... Oh. That's nasty, dude. That is so nasty. Man, I can't wait to get the guys together. Dude.
That was
Wow.
not
Did you
in
see
the
that?
right order.
It doesn't matter, man. Die.
Why did
Dude,
we get
wow.
flashlights?
Oh, I meant... I kept in flash, not stun. Oopsie.
Tag, you're it.
Ow.
Tag
Ow. Don't
That
do
was
that
right
to
next
me.
my face.
Don't hit me, don't hit me. I'll die, I'll die. Ow, I'll die.
Okay, fine.
Ow, I'm gonna die. It was our Dine destined. Dine. Can you guys stop?
I'm
Alright,
so
we
ready
need a
for this.
butler.
Kill that
If there's a
butler.
butler, we all have to beat it up.
Why do we want to beat up the butler? I'm scared.
What if DK died?
That'd be really funny. I mean, it would be good. It wouldn't be good for us, but that'd be pretty funny.
Oh. Were we?
Yeah, we were in a kitchen. Yeah, we were. This is the way out, I
Yeah,
think.
kitchen. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay,
Yeah.
my light just died, so... Yes!
Yeah. Let's bring all this stuff back.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh.
Dude.
What?
It was on DK's ass.
Is he alive?
I don't know. He left. So I think
don't go that way.
he's over here by the bird. The bird's eyesight kind of sucks, so I think we're good.
It is.
It's on our left, on our left.
Just boy. Oh. DK just came by saying, oh boy. Okay, that's normal. Oh, right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll get inside. What? I just dropped it. I hate eggs.
He got fucked. He got fucked.
Oh my god. There's a lot of stuff back there still. I might need to clutch up.
It's 9 p.m.
I got this. No way. No. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, we don't need a shovel. No, nearby activity detected. Alright. Where the hell am I? Oh my god. Where am I? Where am I? It's so dark. Holy shit. Dude, where am I? Why is it so dark? I am not next to the ship for sure. Wait, maybe I am. I'm here. I'm here. Holy shit. Don't leave without me. No. No.
No, you're right there. No.
Dude.
Chase the bag.
I am having a flashlight on me at all times. That was unfair.
That's fine.
It's okay, we just take a left.
It's over here, right? Where's he going? Isn't it over here?
Is it?
It's over here.
Oh,
Count.
what does rainy mean on this map, right? What,
Sinkholes.
is there really sinkholes in snow? Is that actually? Oh, I see one.
I was doing parkour.
There is
Just
a
for fun.
sinkhole right there. Or not, I think. Okay. I'm gonna get lost so easily.
Alright, nice. I'll keep tabs on this.
Oh wait, I don't know where the fire exit is. I'm dying. Welcome back, guys, to Dude Wow Man Guy. Today, we're gonna see a live reaction of my dead corpse inside of the ship. Let's see what his reaction is.
Oh.
Oh,
What? What's that?
they're patrolling the ship. You better stop running, bro. You better calm the hell down. Yeah, no, he's gone. Oh my god! DK! Holy shit!
Dude, how many was that, bro?
Dude, from my perspective, you're like dodging like the Matrix, and then one like absolutely like just out of nowhere just snatches your body.
Dude, it came out of nowhere for real, bro.
Your
Hazardous.
savior is here.
We can't buy it though. Is it gonna rotate out of store if we go to
Anyways,
move?
yeah, the hazmat suit, dude.
Okay.
Wait.
Hi. I heard you guys needed more hands on deck.
Aren't you the guy that like was in the video where like they were doing the emotes and you just kept twerking on the camera? Isn't that you?
No.
No, you were
hey,
not.
hey, intern. Shut up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm about to do something drastic.
4 shotguns or shovels and 2 flashes.
You don't talk to me like that.
Hey, intern. Can you get all the shovels? Thanks.
Okay, well that was. You just lost it. Look, it went through the floor. DK,
Alright.
your quote-unquote leader just used up a flashbang. Yeah, hit him.
Ow! Ow!
How much?
Really
Where's
sad.
that? 157,
It's my
that's
first
not
time
bad.
out, you know.
Did we buy padlocks? Oh no, these are just stun grenades. I thought.
Dude. Alright.
No,
Let's
DK,
go to-
look at the cabinet. Look at the cabinet. Look. It looks like
Okay, dude.
It looks like a padlock. Hey, can you communicate with the shovel? All right, hit the cabinet twice for no and hit it once for yes. Are you able to talk? You are able to talk. Are you supposed to be
Are
quiet?
you? Oh, what? Oh my god! Wait.
Oh,
I
he's
think.
supposed to be quiet. It was
No,
really
I
no.
think-
You don't have to think. It was really simple.
No, I think he's one of those deaf people that speak American.
I just bought a radar booster.
I think you just cussed him out in ASL, Fernando.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What does this mean?
Are you gonna buy Ren?
Dude, why would you even say that?
What does it mean?
I'm gonna have to censor that with like a blur.
Hey, Icon, what does this mean? Alright, what does this
I
mean?
hope
What
he
does
knows
this
we
mean?
can't
Fernando,
see the
oh
screen.
my god,
Yeah,
you have
radar.
the chat, right?
Hey, DK.
Ah, there he
I told
is,
you I
nice.
hate-
Pause. I need to coach him on the radar booster. Okay, the radar booster, right? Basically, it acts as another camera for the ship, and you can ping it, so you can flash.
Hey, he hit me.
I saw you hit him.
No, stop!
Wait, what do we buy?
Okay. So
What
radar
even
booster.
is that?
So like, if there's dogs nearby, you can put this down,
That is new.
right?
That
And you
is
can
new.
flash the dogs, or you can ping it, and the dogs will come here because they'll make a sound. Hello.
Uh-oh.
There's a shotgun. There's a guy here.
Where?
Where?
Right on me.
I'm coming, bro.
Nutcracker?
Yeah.
Where you at? Oh boy. Oh god.
Yeah,
Did you guys get him?
almost.
Got him.
Yep. Nice, dude. This over here.
Dude, why?
There were 2 items I had right here. I just put them down.
There's kind of a bunker
Where is it?
spider up here with Dan's deceased body hanging from a rope, so
Okay, is it above us?
it is above you, yes. Why?
Oh, he died.
Oh, wow. That quick?
He was one shot.
Maybe he was downstairs.
No way.
Dale, dale, dale.
There's. I'm looking for the guy.
I found him. I found him.
Oh.
Coming. Yes, sir. Where are you?
What in the world?
Oh, there is 2.
I think there's 2. Here.
Watch.
You want a shotgun shot?
Uh-oh.
Oh. I got
Oh my god. Alright, yeah. Okay. Alright, it is not safe here anymore. Okay. No way. Bro, no. Okay, block it, 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 block it. Son of a bitch, dude. No shot.
Okay, somehow the Nutcracker killed the other Nutcracker and then managed to be on top of the bookcases, and behind a closed door it shot me. I didn't know it could do that, so I died. Fortunate.
Yeah.
That was a good run.
It was,
Maybe
it was the
we need
first
more.
day. It was the first day. We're good. It was the first day. Ah, I can't jump. Right, here we go. Oh, football! Football! Yeah. Where'd it go? I'm sorry. I'm rapping while I'm outside, because I have pride. I have the face of a turtleneck hamster. What? You weren't meant to hear that. I'm in the ship. Swords? What is going on? He's not even in here. Why are the names switched? What? That isn't me though. Is this normal?
DK die.
DK, get on! Get on! Get on! Get on! Get on!
I couldn't.
The ladder, click
Oh
the
my
ladder.
God,
Oh
no.
my god.
No, DK. Have you ever heard about the Milwaukee tickler?
No.
Oh yeah, do you live in Milwaukee? You might get tickled.
No.
Be careful. I have a sneaking suspicion that Fernando might be the Milwaukee tickler.
Saving me.
Oh, he heard us. Hold on.
What is the Milwaukee tickler?
Don't mention that name next to. Hey, Fernando. Hey, man.
I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you.
I knew it.
Hey guys, look at this room over here.
Okay. Which room?
Okay.
DK, you gotta help us with some items.
Yeah, come help us.
Okay. I know there's a mine over here. You guys are weird. Oh, never mind.
Yes. Those are nothing. Fire exits. Okay, nice. I might be saved. Where? Okay, right there. Alright. What? Okay. Where am I? I can't go back. There's a nutcracker. Oh my god. Dude, like, how do you even fit in here? Why? Why was I teleported?
Oh, I meant to teleport Fernando. Hold on.
Dude. Yeah, no, don't look directly into that. It's not that serious, Fernando. Fernando, it's not that serious. You don't have to type that. You were like...
Hey, lock in icon.
Sorry. I'm sorry that he's
Lock
fingering his
in.
keyboard and I can't concentrate.
What do you mean? I'm not fingering my keyboard.
Jetpack. Confirm. We have 545 left. We're gonna get 4 shovels.
How are you doing that? Tactical build bag. Nice. You still have
Nice.
260 to spare. It's
What do we wanna
eclipsed.
buy?
It is eclipsed. It is eclipsed. Oh my god. Oh my
It's-
god. Yes.
It's.
Yes.
We have
yes.
to go. Wait, we can use this. We can use this to get the dogs away. Someone has to ping it though.
Okay. It's gonna be really loud. Careful.
I can't. Shh. Ping it.
I'm pinging it.
Ping it more. Ping it more.
Damn it.
What?
Oh
kill!
my god.
Hey, restart the
Quit,
game,
quit,
restart the
quit
game,
Quit the game. Quit the game. Quit the game.
Quit the game.
What? was that?
Dude, I don't think you put Susie close enough to the ship.
Well, no, why did they go in the ship though? What
Yeah,
was
they
that?
were, why were like, that was like 2 of them just in it.
Icon, you might as well restart the run,
Am
bro.
I by myself?
No, because Fernando said he has to reset his computer, and we lost the jetpack already because he went to fire exit.
Wow.
I mean, it's not worth it. I mean, it's early. We haven't really done anything. If the dogs get here, you can close the door here. Wait, killed him? What? Killed the Nutcracker? No way.
Oh my god! What?
Where'd that dog come from?
I don't know how that dog got to me, dude. What? Are you good?
Where's the belt bag?
Probably wasn't a good idea. Hey, hey man.
Hey, Icon, get
Yeah.
that thing.
Yeah?
Can you drag it away with the jetpack? Actually,
Sure.
give me the jetpack. Actually, give me the jetpack. I'll get him away. Grab this stuff. There's a belt bag over there with a lot of stuff.
Oh no. Okay. This is nice actually. We're good.
Yeah.
This is nice. Monster! Sorry, I did not think that you were gonna pop out like that. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's down here.
Wait, you have a stun grenade?
No.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Oh, found him. Oh boy. There's 2.
Fuck! There's 2 of them?
Hit him once.
Fuck!
Nice, dude.
Alright, alright, alright,
Where's the
alright.
exit?
This way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Hold on.
No, not that way.
Where are you?
Fuck!
Icon?
I'm over here. Where are you?
This way, this way. Wait, where are you?
I'm over here. Down?
Where's the exit?
Down. What?
No.
I don't know where the exit is.
This way.
Shit!
No.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes.
Oh.
Holy shit!
We both survived. No way.
Dude. Oh my god.
Can you reload? Here.
Yeah.
See if you can reload.
I totally can. Yeah, I have 2 shots.
There's one more down there though.
Are we
we have to get out of the building
We have to
first.
get out, yeah. The chest, dude.
You gonna risk both of us going down there?
There's another one you said?
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay, it's okay, we're good. Well, good attempt. Bye-bye.
Oh, I'll take that.
Oh.
Oh. Go ahead.
I don't know, man. Just close it. Dude, that's how fast I could have betrayed you, bro. Like, you gotta be careful.
I know, you gotta chill.
DK, just like turn around real quick. Just
No.
No, just like turn around real quick. Just, bam! Right there. You could have died. Be very careful.
Are you gonna go? There's a spider.
I can't
I
use
am.
a shotgun on the spider, bro. Do you have a shovel on you?
Yeah, I do.
Hit it.
Like,
Closer.
It'd be bad if, you know, we go down there and he's not.
Oh, that
Nice,
hit me bad.
nice hit. Fernando, the spider's coming towards you. Fernando, help
Better
him.
not kill me. Better not kill me. Better not kill me.
It won't kill you.
Oh, it's ignoring me. Okay, cool.
Did you get it?
Oh. No. 43.
Yeah, alright, I'm gonna head back. We are nutcrackerless.
Okay, well.
Why? Why? Why is he teleporting? Why would you? Why? Oh god, no. Why? What was happening? What happened? I had a shotgun and a shovel.
Did you shoot it?
No, I didn't shoot it. Oh my god.
Don't worry about it, I'll get it.
Get it, bro, get it.
The shotgun didn't drop.
What?
It didn't drop. I didn't see it.
No way.
If you looked in your menu, if you looked at the thing, it said that it was teleported into the ship.
Where?
I don't know, but it wasn't where, because I was looking for it and it wasn't there. It's not. I think it glitched out because when he got teleported, I was looking for it and I couldn't find it.
Where
And
did you
it
leave
said-
it?
No, he had it on him. The thing is, he got teleported, and it said that the shotgun got teleported with him. Because it said it was in the ship now, but it's not here.
Do we just like restart the run then? Because we had the shotgun with us.
No.
when we came in.
No, we're just gonna. We have 2
no
more days.
point.
Bro, it is.
Yeah.
It's shotgun. Quest for shotgun. That was one of our. Oh my. It's gotta be in here somewhere. There's no way. Oh no.
Icon?
Butler, please. Okay.
Okay.
Right there.
We can take care of that. Hold on.
Oh, you
Wait, don't, he has bees. There's bees. Are you dumb?
No, no,
Are
no,
you
no.
dumb?
He shot me? Oh, you got shot as well? Was it by the Nutcracker? What is he doing? What is this man doing? Oh, there we go.
Dude, why is my game tweaking out? What the fuck?
Oh my god, Fernando, please.
Okay.
Wait, what did we leave? We only left the lamp.
Yeah.
Nah, it's fine. It's not worth it. Yes.
Okay.
Oh. Let me- Good run, everybody. Icon, how did you die?
Oh, you really forgot.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh no!
Interesting.
Why is it this place? You
I'm pretty sure.
guys trying to find the
Yeah,
exit?
we got four. We have 4 shotguns.
You do?
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice. Alright, go back. We win. Go back and we win.
This fucking spider's back.
Spider?
Just shoot it. Just shoot it. Just shoot it.
Yikes!
I
No,
can't. I got it. Okay.
Yes. Okay, well, Kanye's dead.
No, Icon's dead.
Oh, Icon's dead. Fuck. Yeah, there's a show right there. I'm gonna fly back.
Nice.
Why did
Okay.
the spider one-shot me? Whatever. Fernando, please. Do not tweak. It's the final stretch. Wait. Bum 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 bum. Transition with the shotgun. Oh my god, that was sick.
What just
Funny.
happened?
Oh
Fernando.
my goodness, look at that
Fernando.
beautiful display.
Fernando, what was that? As long as DK doesn't die here, which I don't think he will.
Well, Kanye's in the thing, so we're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
All the
You're fine. Just start the auto vote.
No? Lush.
We did it.
Do you have a shotgun on you? Everybody
do.
grab a shotgun, we pose. We did it, yes! This is
Yes, sir.
it. Bro,
That's
did it.
such tips.
we need a thumbnail,
Have
alright?
John's
Everybody
safety.
pose, we need a thumbnail. It's with the toilet as well. We need a thumbnail. Yeah, move everything
Oh.
out. What the hell? It needs to look good. You can't just have asymmetrical.
Oh, yes.
No wait, DK, you point down this way. Fernanda points down that way. Oh my god! And then Dan, you can be like down here, like pointing up like this. Oh, dude, this is so sick.
You have to Photoshop yourself in the back.
Yeah.
It's just him standing there with the shotgun Photoshop.
Yeah. Are we gonna go kill stuff or no?
Quest for shot. Do we want to go on a round where we kill stuff?
We can just farm shotguns now. And what we should do is we should go back to Ren and murder them all, get as much loot, and then buy another jetpack. Yes.
How much do I even have like, in my shell?
Let's go to Val. It's Eclipse, so
Why would we go to Eclipse?
exactly.
Fernanda, don't start the ship. Oh. What's hunting season? Come on.
Why are we on Vow?
Cause Eclipse.
This guy's an idiot.
But we had Ren to kill the shotguns.